Hey YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of a luxury brand I have never purchased before, and I am so excited to share this with you. I mean, I am like borderline in love with this bag. I've already peeked at it, of course, because I'm not patient. I got it as well as a couple other items yesterday. So I'm going to film two videos in a row. I need to adjust my darn necklace because it's not showing. I have an Effy necklace on in rose gold, and actually it's not normally adjustable, but I have it on a different chain than it came on. This is one that pops up a lot on Saks Off Fifth and Belk, and I absolutely love it. If I can find it, I'll link it. It's really not a very expensive one, but I just think it is absolutely gorgeous. Anyhow, I am going to go ahead, I think, and first unbox the bag I love, and then in the next video, I'm going to unbox two other bags, a Coach and a Marc Jacobs bag, and I may need your help with those. I'm pretty sure about one of them, about it going back, and then the other one, I'm just not so sure, so I need your help. So first, let's do the bag I love. This came from Harrods, and I got a steal of a deal, and I love it so much that I literally like moved right into the bag, so my stuff's already in it. I can show you what fits. My address is on the other side, so I'm gonna go ahead and flip it like this. You can see the box is a little ripped up, but it's a nice box. Like, I like how it folds open like this. And then inside, it came packaged in this plastic bag and then in the dust bag. And actually, the bag inside was fully wrapped in tissue paper, which I've removed. And on the inside, the chain was fully wrapped and put inside the bag to keep it from denting the bag. And a lot of businesses will just leave the bag out like it is right now because I used it yesterday. And so I love that they had it wrapped inside. I just placed it in this bag real quick for the unboxing, but I don't think that in that short amount of time that it will have done any damage, which it didn't. So this is the Mulberry Little Softie in black, and I got it from Harrods, and they were running a special promotion, and I think I paid $5.87 after tax and duties, and it retails, I believe, for $14.90 plus tax. And right now on the Mulberry website, it is half off, so it's not quite as good of a deal as what I got, but it is $17.37, so it might be that it's $14.75 retail. I can't remember, but for a luxury bag to be that low, oh my gosh. And I don't know if they're discontinuing this, because I also found this bag on another site. It's called Shop Premium Outlets, and I'm going to go ahead and link both the Mulberry website as well as Shop Premium Outlets down below with the selection of different colors of these bags that I found. If you use my links, it really helps me out if you happen to decide to purchase one of these after I show you how good it is. But yes, I found them two places on sale still, and one of them was the Mulberry website, and they had black, cognac color. I don't know if they call it cognac. They had a metallic silver, which was fantastic. Also had a dark green, which is now sold out, and a pale gray. So if you're interested, don't wait, because the deal is that good. But it's made out of like a down feather lining, I understand. And when you squeeze it, it like comes back. I mean, it just poofs right back out like a pillow would. And I just love, love, love the feel of it. The closest bag I have in my collection to feeling this soft is my Longchamp Duodene quilted bag. Let me grab that one. So I have these two bags. The Longchamp is with a dark gunmetal hardware, and this is, of course, silver. I still have the sticker on the front plate, and I may either buy a hardware protector for this bag so I can keep that front plate looking nice, or I might make one. I actually bought some of the 3M film, and I have basically a pattern with what is on there, and the 3M film will stick a little better. If you look right here, the sticker's starting to come up, I guess from the pressure of the bag, and so I think I could cut my own on this one. So we'll see. It's an experiment. For now, I'm leaving it on though. So the leather on these two bags, they're both lambskin, I think, and they feel almost the same. The Longchamp has a little bit less of, I guess, It feels like the Longchamp has a little bit less of perhaps some sort of top coat, I would guess. I'm just totally guessing. This feels like it's slightly more durable, just ever so slightly, than the Longchamp. So hard to say though. They are both amazing. They feel so amazing. And this little softie, I mean, it is the most incredible feeling bag. It is definitely softer than my Lulu Puffer bags by Saint Laurent. These bags feel absolutely amazing too, but there's no comparison in the leather on the little softie versus this. And there is a cognac version that, at least as of last night, was still available in the little softie on the Mulberry website for half off. I want to do a size comparison with the small Lulu. I feel like if you look at them like this, you'll see that they're almost the same dimensions, side to side and up to down. The little softie is just ever so slightly smaller than the small Lulu. But the big difference is that you have one compartment with the little softie and you've got two with the small Lulu. And so you definitely can fit more in the small Lulu. When I pack my stuff in the small Lulu, I have extra space. And when I pack my stuff in the little softie, I do not have that extra space. But that said, I'm able to fit everything I need in this bag, and I'm going to show you. And I'm going to try it on, and you're going to get a full spin, so stick with me. One of the best features about this bag is the chain. The only thing I am a little concerned about is how the chain is attached, if this leather bit here is going to withstand the pressure of the chain. They also make a bigger version of the little softie, which is no longer on the Mulberry website at all that I can find. And you can find it at that Shop Premium Outlet link that I'll link down below. But when I did find pictures of it, it looks huge. It seriously looks like you packed a down comforter and folded it up and you're carrying it on. And you're carrying it on yourself. So for me, this size is definitely more aesthetically pleasing. And since I can make it work with all my stuff, like I'll show you in just a second, I feel like this is a better size for me, even though the room would be nice on the bigger one. But this chain is incredible. This chain clips on kind of like my twist bag, but it's better because on the twist bag, the clips have a little piece that slides up and down, and I've had the charm fall off of those. This is a normal clip where the arm swings in, and on top of that, it swivels, which I absolutely love. If you decide to put this chain directly on the 2D rings and wear it crossbody, like I'll show you in just a moment, it is amazing because you have the swivel clasp. And I love that it's also like a paper clip link on it. I'm gonna try to do as thorough as a review on this as possible. And I know I've only used it one day, but there just is not that much information out there. The Gal's Guide, I believe, has a really good review of the cognac colored one, and I'll link hers down below. She's the reason I bought this bag. And plus the price. I mean, $5.87 shipped all in was insane. So let's open it up. It does have a plastic protector here, which I'm going to leave on for now, as well as here. This is called a postman's lock, and it's super easy to open and close. I have switched out which wallet I use for this bag because I have a Felici insert and it works absolutely perfectly. So I have my normal pouch that I keep medicine in. I have my AirPods case. Those are both sitting on top. And then when you look inside, you'll see that on the bottom, I have placed my Clinique pouch that I keep nail files, lip gloss, tweezers, and oh, what else? Concealer in, things that I don't want loose in the bag that might damage the inside of my bags. On the very end of that pouch, I tucked my key fob. And then if you look inside now, I have a Tide to Go stick in the bottom. I have this Felici insert, a glasses cleaning cloth here. And then inside this pocket, I've also tucked my license and a few other cards that don't fit as well into the Felici insert. So this insert here from the Felici bag is a tight fit side to side. So I just put the top cards that I use on top, and then inside of the other part of the Felici insert, I have cash and checks. So to get it out, I just kind of pull the corner in towards me so it doesn't catch. And then I have that insert, which I have all of these goodies in. I have the cards doubled up in a couple places, but I've got everything I need in this as my wallet. So the Tide to Go stick and this little stack of cards, which has my license, in it, as well as the glasses cleaning cloth, are the last remaining items in the bag. So I fit so much in there. The inside is kind of a silky type material. It feels really nice. And then it does have this one leather slip pocket. When I opened it up, it did have this inside of the bag, which is, I believe, the product information, as well as this additional card. And I think it probably has care information inside, or maybe just information about the brand. It does appear to be some sort of care guide. I usually don't read those though. I just treat all my bags the same. They get equal treatment. Actually, that's not quite true. I do treat more delicate bags more delicately, but so far this has been amazing. I absolutely love it. So let me pack it back up and then I'm gonna try it on. The down on the inside of this bag, it just sucks in when you put pressure on it, and it almost looks like you haven't done anything to it, like you haven't even put anything in. I wish I had a second phone to show you, but I do have a phone case, and so what I do is I just slide my phone directly behind the Felici insert inside. So you can see that's in there now. It really doesn't look that much different. This is tipping down a little bit, the postman's lock is, but that will correct once I close it. I mean, look how easy it is. And I'm even doing this on screen, which makes it harder than if I was looking directly at it instead of at the left-hand corner of my screen. But I have my phone essentially in there because the phone case that I just put in is the same size as my phone, and it looks fantastic. So normally I carry basically 2 key pouches from Louis Vuitton, and I carry a card holder by Fendi or Prada. And rather than having 3 and trying to jumble them in, I went with the Felici insert. The only thing I'm not carrying is all of the gift cards that I normally carry that I almost never use. And I could easily slide those in that back pocket as well, or at least ones that I might use on a particular day. I do want to draw attention to my denim again. This is Risen denim. I went through my whole closet, tried on all my jeans, and have gotten rid of ones that I don't think I'll wear anymore. And I love the fit of these jeans. I mean, they just hug you, but they don't feel like uncomfortable at all. And the ones that I'm wearing actually have a side slit down at the bottom, which you can see right there. And that is pretty nice because when you wear boots or something, that side slit, it just sort of drapes around the boots and it looks really cool. But here's the bag on the shoulder. I mean, look at that. It is so freaking cute. And when you have the chain doubled like this, you can easily pull up one part of it and then wear it as a long shoulder. You can wear it as a very short crossbody this way, but never fear, if you like your crossbodies longer, you can do that too. All you do is unclip the clips and then you clip those directly to the D-rings on the bag, which I'm gonna do right here just so I can show you how easy it is. So now you have a long chain, and the long chain is a perfect drop length for me. I am 5'8" and I am about 145 pounds, and I feel like that's a really nice length. That said, I definitely prefer wearing it on the shoulder. You could also, if you get the black, which was available, you could put it with any black strap with silver hardware. Let me go grab one of my Longchamp ones, or maybe 2, because I have a couple that might look really cute with this. So I have that duodene strap that goes with my quilted Longchamp, but it has gunmetal hardware. So I have this one, which is in a Russian cowhide. It goes with my Longchamp extra small from the Wish collection, and it's a different texture, but I think that it will still be okay, even though it is more of a, it's not really a pebbled, it's almost like a caviar type texture. And the bag itself is a lambskin, I believe. So I definitely have it adjusted pretty long, but you can see, you can add a different strap to this bag quite easily. I haven't tried this strap yet. It has that same texture on it, but this is from my Longchamp travel bag, and it would be kind of a fun way to wear the bag on your shoulder. I think it would be too short to wear it crossbody. Yeah, definitely. But it is cute like that on your shoulder, and you have a spot that you could grab like that. My favorite is the chain though, and wearing it on my shoulder with the chain doubled up. This bag is literally light as a feather when you don't have anything in it. And even with my items inside, it does not hurt my shoulder at all with this chain. And you guys know I am very particular about how chains and straps feel going across my collarbone. If I have a buckle hitting me in the wrong spot, or if a chain is uncomfortable, I will let you know it. And a perfect example would be the brand new Louis Vuitton twist that I have. That would be this bag. This bag has a leather brake on it, so it should be comfortable. But honestly, I think the only way it's comfortable on me is if I'm wearing shoulder pads, and I definitely do not need shoulder pads with the little softie. It is comfortable just as it is with this gorgeous paper clip chain. So let me give you one more quick turn on the bag so you can just see it from all angles. Again, I originally thought this bag had two compartments, right here and right here, but it's just this one compartment. There's no back pocket. I absolutely love the design on the quilting, and I just think this bag is fabulous. With Mulberry, I don't always like the look of the postman lock, which is this oval piece with the turn. The turn is a little circle, as you can see, that comes through there. But I do like it on this bag. And so because of that, and because of the fact I think Mulberry may be phasing this bag out, based on the fact that even the new season colors are currently marked down, I am thinking that if you want to buy one of these, you really shouldn't wait. So again, I'm going to link them down below. If you do happen to use my links, it really helps me out. But if you ever can find a deal with Rakuten where you get cash back, you definitely should do that. I don't think that's the case with Mulberry, but it may be the case with other sites you may look at. So that'll do it. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there's the same. It's the @, then the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase. You can DM me there, or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.